In this lesson, I will explain to you how we can share our dashboard to our audience through email. So this is again very easy. What I have told you in the last lesson, that first of all, we have to make this report as the part of our dashboard. So how we can make it? It is very easy. First of all, you have to click on projects detail, and we are already there. When you will click, you will see pin a live page option is here. You have to click on this option, pin a live page. When you will click here, you will see on the left hand side the preview of this dashboard. So, and here is the dashboard name. So dashboard name is again up to you, whatever you want, but I am going to write down projects detail and make it one, right? Detail one. And here is the preview. Click on the pin live. As soon as you will click on the pin live, you will see now that reports is also the part of our dashboard, which was our purpose. Now what you have to do, you have to click on projects detail one, this one which is under dashboard. So click here on dashboard. What is the advantage or what is the benefit of clicking here? Because after clicking on projects detail one, which is the name of our dashboard, you will see the share option is here. With the help of this share option, we will share our dashboard online to the audience. But before clicking on share, I will show you it is exactly the same which we had on the report view. So click on the share option. When you will click on the share option, it will ask you write down the email addresses of the recipients or your colleagues or your staff. But keep in mind, do not write down Yahoo, your personal email, Hotmail or Gmail. It will not support Gmail, Hotmail, etc. Right? You have to write down the email. If you are working some organization, definitely you have some email address, so you have to write down that email address. I am going to write down my email address here, and as many email addresses as you want you can write here, but I am giving you some homework that write down your personal. If you have some Yahoo or Gmail addresses, write down and click on share. It will not allow you, there will be an error. So always, this is the important point, if you are registered with the Power BI, and all the audiences which are registered with the Power BI, only that people will receive, those people will receive this email. So this is the optional area. Here I will write down some note. If you want, I have attached Power BI dashboard, right? If you want to write down some message to the audience, I have attached Power BI dashboard. These are the three options. It's up to you, but I recommend you to put check mark here. Allow recipients to share your dashboard. Allow recipients to build a new content using the underlying data sets. Send an email notification to recipients, right? So when you will click on the share option, you will see your dashboard has been shared successfully to the audience. Only those audience can see if they are registered with the Power BI, right? So go to the email and we will see what message you will get. See here, this one, projects detail one. Hi, I have attached a Power BI dash sorry, I have attached a Power BI dashboard. Thanks, Saima. This is the note. Open, click on this, open this dashboard. When you will click here, they will see exactly the same dashboard which you had created and shared to your audience, right? I hope this is clear. Please practice it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.